Alright, it's Cat Builder. Yeah man. I'm going to be doing a cold start up on this TS400. Premium petrol from the garage and 2-stroke, it's a 50-to-1 mix. 64cc machine this, so it's just over 4 horsepower. Okay, what we're going to do, flick the switch, choke up, squeeze the handle, and then on the top here, drag it to your hand, and that's caught it, yeah. We're not bothering with the compression thing, which is here. We're just going to start it without, so put your foot in there and pull. Once it does that, take it right down to the bottom. Okay, thanks for watching.